and they have used most of their height advantages. And
Yes.
ito naman ngayon, partner, pag-usapan natin ngayon ang ating laro ngayong hapon, which is the Junior Rams versus the Olympians. Ito, partner, Shepherdville Junior Rams, sanay na ito dito sa ating hardcourt since last season they have faced the NCF Tigers in the finals but ended up in the second runner-up. And the STI Olympians naman, bagong team dito sa ating season, pero magpapakita ng kanilang kalakasan sa ating hardcourt.
Yan, at pasalamatan natin ngayon, LA, ang ating mga big sponsor. We have the Havianas, Big's Diner and Elise Sportswear. At syempre, pasalamatan rin natin ang Naga College Foundation, Home of the Champion, Gold Glofa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, and Jenna Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. So yun nga, LA, nakita natin dito nagpe-prepare na ang dalawang koponan. At para makahingi tayo ng update all the way on the side of the Shepherdville Rams, let's call our courtside reporter na si Dessa. Hi Dessa, kumusta? Anong update natin dyan?
Magandang hapon, Ellie and Rick, and good afternoon as well to all of our live viewers. You are tuning in to Bucal Season 5 on Bucal's official Facebook page in collaboration with One Media TV 48 Naga. After a long break, we are back once again to witness the showdown you won't want to miss as the Shepherdville Rams take on the STI Olympians in a battle on the hard court. Get ready for jaw-dropping shots, precision three-pointers, and heart-pounding defense. The atmosphere is electric and the stakes are high. Buckle up as we dive headfirst into a thrilling matchup this afternoon. Bringing you the hottest and latest updates from the side of Shepherdville Rams, this is Dasimir Parma Lontayao, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Ellie and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Dessa, for that update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Junior Rams. And ayun, partner, prepared na dito ang Shepherdville Rams as nag-huddle na sila dito with their head coach. And we see there the STI Olympians also doing the same huddle. And to give us an update para sa side ng ating Olympians, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, kamusta? Anong update natin dyan?
Good afternoon, LA and Rick. At syempre naman, good afternoon to our viewers via Bucal Facebook page and our official broadcast partner, One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Kampiyon. This is your courtside correspondent bringing you exciting updates from the bench of the STI Olympians. They were defeated during their first game, but this time will be different since the Olympians will focus and strengthen their zone defense during the first quarter of the game. Coach Obed mentioned that they took advantage of the Peña Francia break to make a memorable comeback. Let's all stay tuned and witness it. This is Zai Meniano, back to the panel.
Yes, napakinggan nga natin LA dito. According to Zai, nag-prepare talaga dito ang STI College kasi mabigat na kalaban itong Shepherdville Rams. At kitang-kita naman dito kung gaano naka-excited ang dalawang team na ito. And yan nga, magsisimula na tayo with a jump ball.
And the partner, tip off ngayon. Shepherdville takes first possession, number 14, passes to number 4. Number 4, that's good for 2 points for Del Mundo.
And now, bola ngayon ng STI College. What a steal. Again, mainit dito LA ang simula ng Shepherdville Rams.
Yes, partner, they started now with a 4-0 lead and 9 minutes and 34 seconds pa lamang dito sa ating first quarter. At 8 seconds violation ngayon itinawag dito sa Olympians. Montero to inbound the ball. Passes it to Yap. Yap to Bardo. And turnover ngayon dito sa Olympians.
Now, Olympians ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola again. Still on the side of the Shepherdville Rams.
Munoz tries there but no good. Rebound there by number 12. Munoz, 2-pointer. That's good.
Na nahihirapan ngayon ng STI College na maitawid ang bola. Grabing defense ang pinapakita dito ng Shepherdville Rams. At yun nga, another turnovers on the side of the STI College.
Nakita natin doon, partner, sa set na ginawa ng ating Rams kanina as nag-set sila ng 1-2-2 defense and naka full court trapping sila kanina.
Kaya naman bantay sarado talaga dito ang Olympians.
Yes. As number 14 now has the ball. Pass to number 7. Yup, 4-3. That's good. And that
Unang tres LA dito sa larong ito. And again, STI College. Again, what a great ball game para dito sa Shepherdville Rams.
pass is deflected there by number 16. Zamora. Heavily guarded by number 12 to number 7. Number 6 na humihingi ng screen doon si number 12.
No good on that last attempt. Coming from Cario.
Yap ngayon, setting up a play. Passes to Munoz. Munoz 4-3. No good.
Now Zamora ang tatawid ngayon ng bola para sa Olympians. Again, kailangan dito ng magandang pasa at magandang shooting skill para dito sa ating Olympian para mahabol at magkaroon ng puntos dito sa unang laban na ito.
Double team pero may foul na nakita doon ng ating referee. And he will be given 2 free throws.
And a timeout. An early timeout was called on the side of the STI College. So nakikita natin dito LA na siyam na dito ang kalamangan ng ating Shepherdville Rams at hindi pa nagkakaroon ng puntos dito ang STI College, but we all know that STI College has the capability na maghabol dito, knowing that meron silang magagaling na three-pointer dito katulad ni Kari, yung jersey number 16 na talaga namang pinag-usapan on that last game nila
Against the Golden Knights.
Yes.
And it's 7 minutes and 43 seconds remaining here. 9-0 in favor of the Junior Rams. Mahaba-habang oras pa to, partner, and it's still the first quarter and we aren't even on the halfway of this ball game. And we are back live here at ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium. 14 seconds shot clock remaining here in our first quarter.
Now, pagkakataon ngayon para sa Olympians. Again, no good on that.
Number 4 passes it to number 7. Yup. Setting up a play to Munoz. Munoz to Yup. To Del Mundo. No good. Pero rebound dito ni number 11. Pero foul dito si number 11 at mabibigyan siya ng 2 free throws. Partner, batiin mo naman, partner, ang ating mga manonood ngayong araw.
Yan, LA, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga live viewers na nakatutok sa ating live coverage ng One Media TV 48 Naga. Maraming salamat po. Shoutout dito kila KS Caro na nanunood all the way from Calabanga. Thank you so much.
And also, partner, we would like to give a shout out to our courtside reporters Tessa Lontayao and Zai Meñano. And moving back to our ball game, number 14, steal. Number 14 passes it to number 12, Munoz. That's good.
What a great move on the side of the Shepherdville Rams.
Heavily guarded dito si number 16. Double team doon si number 16 by Yap and Montero. Heavily pressured ang Olympians dito as ginagamit talaga ng Rams ang kanilang height advantage against the Olympians.
And now Rabang to inbound. Passes to Cario. But a whistle was called
8
on the
seconds
side of the
violation.
STI College.
Medyo lethal dito, partner, ang trapping ng Shepherdville Rams as it's the second time that the Olympians have already committed their 8 seconds violation.
Talagang matinding depensa ang baon ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. But now, Caryo tuloy-tuloy dito sa gitna. Passes to jersey number 7. And yun, ang unang basket ng ating STI College.
Yes, partner. Yap. Yap ngayon, nagdadala ng bola. Yap, passes it to number 14. 3-pointer. No good by Munoz.
And a rebound on the side of the Olympians. Again, Caryo. Ang may hawak ng bola. Tuloy-tuloy sa gitna. And what a great move coming from Caryo.
Lumusot sa mga towering defense ng Rams.
And yun ang kailangan dito, LA, ng STI para makahabol dito sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Again, still on the side of the Shepherdville Rams.
Number 14, Montero. To Munoz for 3. No good. Montero. Foul dito si Montero as he steps on the line. Oh, I'm sorry. It's number 11, Barredo pala. Ang may 2 free throws dito sa ating first quarter with 5 minutes and 36 seconds remaining here in our first quarter. 17-4 ang score natin in favor of the Junior Rams.
So malaki-laki na dito ang hahabulin ng Olympians. Talagang maganda ang pinapakita dito sa first quarter ng ating Shepherdville Rams. And now ball possession ng Olympians. Now Caryo. What a great steal again. Libreng-libre on that last sequence.
Magaling mag-steal itong si Barredo as kanina pa nga nito nakukuha yung mga pasa at nade-deflect yung pass ng Olympians.
Knowing na meron talaga ditong height advantage ang ating Shepherdville Rams, ginagawa talaga nila itong pangontra dito sa depensa at opensa ng Olympians. And now Zamora to inbound. Again, passes to Rabang. Rabang tries for that long 3. No good.
Defensive rebound by number 14, Montero. Montero passes it to Del Mundo. Del Mundo, no good. Second chance point, but there is a foul. 2 free throws here for Montero as he steps on the line. And ayun, partner. Shoutout ko lang, partner, dito ang ating mga manunood. Sina Jose Patricio Camato, Arnel Borja, Jeff Adrian Maruliano, Sean Sinosin, at Jude Plantado at Matthew Joseph Bazar. At syempre, partner, gusto din natin pasalamatan ang ating ever hardworking from the media team, the One Media TV 48 Naga, especially ang ating technical director, si Mr. RJ Rebedorial, si Mr. Jameson Brenya, Sir James Gabarda, si Marniela Berido, at Ma'am Irene Tosok, and especially our station manager na si Sir J.M. Jacob.
Now back to the ball game tayo ngayon. Now still on the side of the Olympians. Tries for that 3. Again, no good. An offensive rebound on the side of the STI. Caryo ngayon. What a great block
by Barredo. Yup. Hawak ang bola. Layup. No good, but a tip in by number 4, Del Mundo. Great second chance point there by Del Mundo.
Maganda talaga dito ang pinapakitang chemistry inside the court. Sakpo na ng Shepherdville Rams. That's why 23 against 4 ang ating talaan ngayon. And now again, Shepherdville Rams ngayon ang may chance ulit magpuntos.
Number 15. Passes to Munoz. Munoz. No good. And that's good by number 4, Del Mundo.
And a whistle coming from the referee.
Substitution dito ang ating Junior Rams.
And now Falabe ngayon to inbound on the side of the Olympians.
At ito ngayon dito, nagmaman-to-man trapping ang ating Junior Rams. Falabi to Cario. Cario. 8 seconds left here. As ball possession pa rin dito ng ating STI Olympians. To number 16, Cario. To number 22. Guarded there by number 17. Cario. And there is a shot clock violation committed here by the Olympians, and ball possession mapupunta sa ating Junior Rams. Long pass there to Miranda, but no good. And good recovery there, pero deflected by the Olympians.
Now Cario on the side of the Olympians at swabing-swabe ang galaw on that last sequence.
Umiilalim talaga sa depensa itong si Cario, and nagpaparamdam na dito ang Olympians. As Tolentino tries the two-pointer, no good. Layup, still no good. And good recovery there by number 9, Chokson.
Again, bola ulit ngayon ng Olympians. Jose to inbound, passes to Cario, and now whistle again on the side.
Natawagan doon ng foul si Tolentino, and Olympians to inbound the ball. Cario, guarded by number 15. Cario again, mag-iilalim, pero shooting foul, at mabibigyan pa ito ng 2 free throws. Penalty situation here ang ating Olympians.
Again, Cario tries for that 2-point opportunity. No good on that first attempt.
And partner, shout out natin partner, si Casey Calianta and Ara Canencia, and especially Angelica May Peñaflor. And batiin din natin partner yung mga students from ATENEO-Naga University as they have their annual capping and pinning ceremony for nursing students. Congratulations po sa inyo. And moving back to our ball game, Cario steal.
Again, maganda talaga dito ang performance ni Cario on the side of the Olympians. Kailangan ditong tumulong ng kanyang teammates para naman madagdagan at mahabol dito ang Shepherdville Rams.
And ayun, number 29, Chokson, adds 2 points their lead. Whistle there, and 2 free throws sa ating Junior Rams. At ayun partner, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors for this afternoon. BMEG Premium, sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell. Nagayon, Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. NCFV Gallery and Museum. Julia, Outdoor Advertising and Printing. Tigers Cafe, located at NCF Main and NCF Annex. NCF Indoor Firing Range, first world-class indoor firing range in Bicol region. SM City Naga, SM Training Pool at NCF Driving School. Number 15 ngayon, may hawak ng bola, passes it to number 10, Tolentino, 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound by number 6. Basket's good by number 17, Miranda.
And now, Olympians ang may hawak ngayon ng bola. But again, a great defense on the side of the Shepherdville Rams.
Again,
Ayan nga.
8 seconds violation ulit partner. Committed ng ating Olympians.
Talagang matinding depensa ang pinapamalas ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Kaya naman,
Inside
nahihirapan
pass.
dito ang Olympians.
Yes. And foul na naman nga dito partner ang ating Junior Rams as they as Miranda steps on the line for 2 free throws. And also partner, shoutout tayo dito kay Miss Erica De Lima at kay Christine Reyes na inyong napakinggan kaninang umaga sa match-up ng NPS Saints at ng ACC Green Serpents. And also to Rick Puerta, partner, and to Aljon Pogoy.
Ayan nga. Miranda ngayon stepping on that free throw line para sa 2-point opportunity.
Ball possession ibinigay dito sa Olympians.
And again, Olympians ngayon ang may hawak ng bola.
Ball possession. Penalty. Both teams na pala dito partner ay in penalty situations with 1 minute and 36 seconds remaining here in our first quarter. 34-9 ang ating talaan with the Rams leading here.
One more time for Francisco.
Second free throw, no good. Rebound there by Tolentino. Number 6 to number 15. Back again to number 6. Offensive foul dito. Si number 6. Pabar.
Now, bola ngayon ng Olympians. Again, pahirapang depensa dito ang ginagawa ng Shepherdville Rams sa kupunan ng Olympians.
Pinaharas dito ni Babar si Rose, number 1. Jose. Again, Olympians to inbound the ball. Passes it to number 1.
Now, Jose passes to Zamora. And now, Zamora sa gitna. Again, no good.
Number 9, may hawak ng bola. Passes it to number 17, to number 10. Number 10 tries that play, and it's good. Basket's good for Tolentino. Good for 2 points. And turnover there ng ating Olympians. Ball possession ng ating Junior Rams. Number 15 to number 9, Chokson. Tip in by number 17. Basket's good. Plus a foul. 3-point play opportunity for the Junior Rams as Miranda steps on the line for the 3-point play opportunity. Good 3-point play there as it adds up to their lead. 39-9 ang ating score.
And traveling ngayon ang itatawag sa kupunan ng Shepherdville Rams. Now, again, still on the side of the Shepherdville Rams. Opportunity again on the side of Rams, and yun nga, makakakuha dito ng 2-point.
Olympians now double team by 6 and number 15. Steal there by Tolentino. Tolentino, layup. That's good.
Yun nga, 6 seconds remaining on our time. Again, magandang depensa talaga ang pinapakita dito ng Shepherdville Rams. 86 counts remaining on our time. 43 against 9. Again, lumobo na nga dito ang kalamangan ng Shepherdville Rams.
We are hoping partner na si number 13 Zamora is doing great, is doing okay, and we are hoping that his injury is not that serious. As Olympians to inbound the ball in this final 86 tenths of a second.
And that's it. That's the end of our first quarter. 43 against 9. Abante nga dito ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Tutok lamang at abangan natin ang pangalawang quarter only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live here sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium as the second quarter begins and the Junior Rams continuing their momentum here in this second quarter matchup against the STI Olympians. To number 5. Number 5 runs. Eurostep, no good. Olympians.
And now, Karyo ngayon ang may hawak ng bola.
Guarded here by number 16. Yambao.
No good on that. A 3-point attempt on the side of the Olympians.
Mabasa. Passes it to number 16 Yambao. To Paras. Good crossover there by Paras. And passes it to number 18 but 3-pointers. No good. Good recovery there by number 5. As number 8, Culibao has the ball. To number 4, Del Mundo. Off balance shot, no good.
And now, Karyo ngayon. No good.
Del Mundo, defensive rebound. As number 5, Paras. He is fouled and will be given 2 free throws. And to give us an update about sa adjustments and game plans ng ating STI Olympians, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai, at anong updates at adjustments ng Olympians?
LA and Rick, we can witness the Olympians initiate the triangle defense. They're trying to be alert sa bawat drop at pass ng bola since they are a little bit behind. Nevertheless, it's only the second quarter of the game. Madami pa naman oras para humabol. Shooting some points will surely do them good. Yan lamang ang updates dito sa loob ng court. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun nga, they are behind at malaki nga ang kalamangan dito ng Shepherdville Rams. That's why offense and defense ang kailangan talaga dito ng ating Olympians para makahabol dito sa ating pangalawang quarter.
And also sabi din ni Coach sa kanilang game plan is to create more shots, especially sa mga towering defense ng ating Junior Rams, and they need to create more open shots and 3-point shots as well.
Yan nga, magkakaroon again dito ng free throw opportunity ang side ng Shepherdville Rams. Del Mundo ngayon stepping on the line para makahingi tayo ng update all the way from the bench of the Shepherdville Rams. Let's call our courtside reporter, Dessa. Hi, Dessa. Kumusta? Anong update natin dyan?
Hello, LA and Rick. As the first quarter winds down, Shepherdville Rams is now ahead on the game. Garnering their first victory in their first game, Shepherdville Rams head coach Al ay patuloy silang pinapayuhan to play their game from the beginning up to the end of the matchup. Pinapaalala rin ni coach sa kanyang mga players to apply half-court man-to-man defense and constantly communicate with their teammates and as well as their coaches. He stated that the players rigorously prepare for this season, kaya naman patuloy ang kanilang pagtrabaho sa loob ng hard court. Will the Shepherdville Rams stage another win in this matchup? Tune in for more updates. This is Dasa, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, LA and Rick.
Thank you so much, Dessa, for that update. And yun nga, partner, the Shepherdville Junior Rams are on the lead, pero as mentioned, hindi dapat sila maging complacent sa kanilang lead ngayong araw.
Yun nga, they are on their comfortable lead here on our second quarter.
And as mentioned there, partner, the Junior Rams need to set a half-court man-to-man defense, and also nakikita natin very beautiful execution dito ng ating Junior Rams as nakakuha na sila ng maraming steals from the Olympians.
Yes, yung mga trainings nga na sinasabi ng kanilang coaches, it paid off dito sa game na ito. Halatang-halata naman na prepared ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Meanwhile, on the side of these Olympians, mahaba-haba pa itong larong ito. They need to focus more on their offense and defense para makahabol dito sa score ng Shepherdville Rams.
And ayun, partner, turnover there. And Junior Rams to inbound the ball. Paras, naghahanap ng papasahan. Passes it to number 18, Mabasa. Back to Paras. Number 8, Kulibar. Turnover. 10 seconds shot clock remaining here for the Junior Rams, as Mabasa will inbound the ball. Number 4, Del Mundo.
Again, a great basket on the side of Rams, and now Caryo ngayon ang tatawid ng bola. Again, Caryo. A great move again. Now, tries for that long three, no good. Rebound or ball possession ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams.
Ball possession will stay sa ating Junior Rams, as Mabasa will once again inbound the ball. Del Mundo to Mabasa. Thought about a 3. 18. 2 points, no good. And number 8 there, second chance points, no good for.
And now, Olympians ngayon, again, Caryo. Kailangan dito mag-init ng mga players ng ating Olympians at paigtingin ang kanilang 3-pointers dito sa loob ng court para talagang makahabol dito. Kasi talaga namang ang gandang pinapakita ang man-to-man defense ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
And Kulibar spins, extra pass to number 4. Kulibar, 2-pointer. That's good.
Yes, and kitang-kita nga na talagang komportable dito ang Shepherdville Rams. Lalo't nang abante sila dito ng ilang puntos sa ating Olympians. Again, Caryo. They need to step up big time here on our second quarter.
Crossover. Caryo iilalim, pero there's a foul. Doon at 2 free throws will be given to Caryo as he steps on the line with 6 minutes remaining here in our second quarter. 52-9 ang ating score. Junior Ram still has the lead.
Now, Caryo. No good on that first attempt. Again, a wasted opportunity coming from these Olympians. Again, Caryo on his second attempt. Again, no good.
Number 18, Mabasa. Driving the ball. Pass to number 5, Paras. Number 16, Yambao. Pero stepping on the line dito, si Yambao, and ball possession will be given to the Olympians.
Now, bola ngayon ng Olympians. Again, Caryo ang magtatawid ng bola.
Caryo guarded here by number 16, Yambao of the Junior Rams. Great crossover there by Yambao. But Paras, layup, no good. Rebound once again by Paras at kickball violation.
And now, Olympians to inbound. Again, masyado talagang magaling ang depensa ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. That's why hindi ito nako-convert ng Olympians into points.
Scario passes it to number 11. Number 19. Turnover dito. At timeout. Dito ang ating Junior Rams with 5 minutes. And here in our second quarter. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan nga, we are back here at the ATENEO-Naga Gymnasium. 5 minutes ang natitira sa ating second quarter. Abante pa rin dito ang ating Shepherdville Rams.
Shepherdville Junior Rams trying to continue their momentum here with 5 minutes remaining here in our second quarter. 52-9 ang ating score in favor of the Junior Rams.
Again, ball possession ng Shepherdville Rams.
Number 12 guarded by Cario. Nagpaskirin kay Kulibar to Paras. Paras to number 18. Number 18, 3-point, no good. But rebound there by Barredo. Barredo, 2-pointer, that's good.
Now, Cario ngayon. Mabilis na tinawid ang bola. Looking for his teammate. What a great steal on the side of Rams.
Number 18. Foul dito ngayon si number 18, si Mabasa. And he will step on the line for 2 free throws.
Again, another opportunity dito on the side of Shepherdville Rams para madagdagan ang kanilang abante dito sa second quarter. At yun nga, madami-dami na rin. LA ang natatawagan dito ng foul inside this ATENEO-Naga Gymnasium. Again, jersey number 18 on his second attempt. And it was a clean basket.
Jokson will step on the game and will replace jersey number 8 Colibar.
Again, Cario ang may hawak ng bola.
Ito partner, si Cario, hindi inaalintana ang matatangkad na depensa ng ating Junior Rams.
What a great steal again on the side of Shepherdville Rams. At yun nga, basket on that last sequence. Again, maganda nga dito ang performance ng Shepherdville Rams to get their first win here on Bucal Season 5.
3-point play opportunity for Munoz. Munoz. 3-point play. No good.
Rebound ngayon on the side of Olympians, but the ball will go on the side of Shepherdville Rams. Out of bounds on that last sequence.
3 minutes and 59 seconds na lamang ang natitira dito sa second quarter. At alley-oop pass but failed to capitalize.
Now, Cario ngayon. Makakakuha ba ng puntos? No good. But a whistle was called by our referee. At yun nga, mabibigyan dito si Cario ng 2-point opportunity on that free throw line.
Cario, first free throw. That's good. Extends their lead to 10 points. Extends their points to 10. Second free throw by Cario. No good. And Junior Rams will take ball possession. It's number 18. Passes it to number 5, Paras. Paras guarded here by Cario. Number 12. Inside pass to number 11. Pero traveling violation dito si number 11. At Olympians will take the ball possession. Cario. Guarded by number 12, Munoz. No look pass.
What a great steal. A commendable moves coming from Paras. At yun nga, a basket coming from him.
Cario. Guarded.
What a great steal, a back-to-back steal on the side of Shepherdville Rams. Libreng-libre at makakakuha nga ng basket doon ang ating Shepherdville.
Double team ngayon dito ang Olympians as number 18 steals that ball. Passes it to number 5. 3-pointer Paras. That's good.
Mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang STI Olympians. 64 against 10. 2 minutes and 53 seconds on our time. Magbabalik po kami here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back live here sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium to continue our second quarter with 2 minutes and 53 seconds remaining here in our second quarter. 64-10 ang score in favor of the Junior Rams.
Again, opportunity ngayon ng STI Olympians to have a point.
Cario.
Now, Cario on that long three, and it was good.
Good creation of an open shot there by Cario as
Yes.
he attempts that long 3-pointer and good.
Yun ang inaabangan dito ng Olympians community. Ang mabibigat na 3-pointers coming from Cario and this team.
Both teams now in penalty situation. Munoz will step on the line for 2 free throws. First free throw here by Munoz. It's good. Munoz attempts. Second free throw. That's good.
Now, ball possession ng STI Olympians. Again, pinapahirapan dito ng magandang depensa ang ating Olympians. No good on that attempt. Again, nagawa ng bola but an offensive rebound. Francisco tries for that and it was good.
2 points dito. Paras to number 9. Number 9 to Paras. Paras to number 18. To number 12. Drives. 2 points. No, that's good.
Again, basket coming from the Shepherdville Rams. And now, itatawid ngayon ang bola ng STI Olympians. Falabe passes to Francisco. Again, Francisco. Tries for that long three, no good.
Number 18, Mabasa, now has the ball. Mabasa, pass to Paras. Inside pass to Chokson. 2-pointer, that's good.
Again, lumobo na nga dito ang kalamangan ng Shepherdville Rams. And 58 seconds remaining on our time. Again, Raba ngayon ang may hawak ng bola sa ating Olympians. 10 seconds remaining.
In our shot clock.
But a great steal on the side of Shepherdville Rams. Libreng-libre on that last sequence. Now, Francisco looking for his teammate. What a great steal. Coming from number 18.
Mabasa. Double team dito ang Olympians.
Francisco ngayon. Passes to Rabang and now Rabang ngayon ang may hawak ng bola para sa Olympians.
Francisco.
Rabang.
Rabang. Number 13. Guarded there.
Defensive rebound on the side of the Shepherdville Rams. Paras tries on that corner, no good. But a second chance point, no. It was no good again. And that's the end of our second quarter, 74 against 15. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Nipis taba, B-Meg! Bilis kita! Tinuloy-tuloy ko hanggang B-Meg Premium Grower 1 and 2. May Lean Plus technology, kaya mas mabigat at manipis ang taba sa pagbenta. Kaya tuloy nyo na! B-Meg! Bilis kita!
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa.
We are back live here sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium to kick things off here in our third quarter. As number 14, early three-pointer. That's good by Del Mundo. Olympians. Number 16, Cario. Guarded by number 15. Great screen there.
No good. Offensive rebound on the side of the Olympians. Now, Rabang gets that 2 points on the side of Olympians.
It's number 15. Guarded by Cario. Steal there by the Olympians. As Cario running to the basket. Layup, no good. Montero, number 14, 2-pointer, no good. A second chance points there given by Culibar. Cario to Zamora. Zamora will try. Pero 2 free throws ang bibigay ngayon kay Cario. I-analyze naman natin ngayon, partner, ang halftime analysis na ginawa ng ating Bucal stats team. STI 15 points ending sa second quarter, and Shepherdville Junior Rams with 74 points. Tingnan naman natin, partner, ang percentage ng inside shots ng both teams, with STI with 5 over 20 and the Shepherdville Rams with 29 over 59, 25% and 49%. And to give us an update sa side ng ating STI Olympians, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Zay. Kumusta, Zay, at anong update natin dyan?
LA and Rick, change of plans dito sa side ng Olympians. Laro ng utak laban sa laro ng Persa. They will be focusing on game rules and technicalities. Idagdag pa natin ang unwavering willingness ng Olympians to give their opponent a hard time. Sabi nga nila, never back down, never give up. Frustrated man, they will still do their best to prove that they belong to this court. Yan lamang dito sa loob ng court. Balik sa inyo, LA and Rick.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update. So yun nga, talagang nag-iinit na dito si Cario with that steal, at yun nga, libreng-libre basket. And let's talk about on that last sequence na nakakuha ng 3 points doon si Cario. What a great move coming from this kid. Again, still on the side of the STI. Cario tries for that 3. No good.
Number 17.
Yan nga, itatawid ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams ang bola, at para makahingi ng update all the way from the bench of the Shepherdville Rams, let's call our courtside reporter, Dessa. Hi Dessa, kumusta? Anong update natin dyan?
Ayan, Ellie and Rick, we are now on the second half of this afternoon's matchup between the Shepherdville Rams and STI Olympians. ATENEO Gymnasium is indeed packed with unwavering support coming from the supporters of the both teams. At this point, Ellie and Rick, lamang pa rin ng Shepherdville Rams, and they're really showing what they have prepared for this season. Coach Al told his players to continue with half-court man-to-man defense, to focus on their assignments, and to communicate continuously inside the court. Dagdag ni Coach, huwag tingnan ang score at ipagpatuloy lang ang kanilang laro. That's for our courtside updates. This is Dasa, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Ellie and Rick.
Thank you so much, Dessa, for that update. And magandang mindset nga ang sinet ng coach ng Junior Rams, as wag daw tingnan ang score and continue hustling for a play here. At offensive foul dito ang Junior Rams, as number 16 Cario falls down. Third personal foul here to number 17, Miranda.
Now, Olympians with the ball possession. Cario ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. Cario passes to Zaldua, but no good. Whistle. Foul ngayon ang tatawag sa Olympians. Ball possession ngayon ang Shepherdville Rams.
Number 6. Ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Number 14. To number 4, Del Mundo. Steal. Cario. 2 free throws will be given to Cario as he steps on the line with 6 minutes and 53 seconds remaining here in our third quarter. 82-23 ang ating score in favor of the Junior Rams. Second personal na ngayon dito ni Del Mundo. First free throw by Cario. Second attempt. Also good. As number 6 passes it to Del Mundo. Babar. Number 8 passes it to number 7. Inside pass to number 17, Del Mundo. Basket's good. A 3-point play for Del Mundo. 1 free throw. Six minutes and 38 seconds remaining here in our third quarter. 84-25. Rams looking to extend their lead. As the free throw, no good. But second chance point by number 8, Culibar.
Now, Cario itatawid ang bola para sa Olympians. Cario, dire-diretso sa loob, no good.
Rebound doon ni Babar at Del Mundo. 2 points. As Olympians, as ball possession, heavily harassed by Yap to number 14, Montero. Olympians. Number 20 has the ball, passes it to Rabang. Thought about a 3. No good. Zamora to number 20. Guarded there by Yap. And as Yap harassed there, Olympians turnover at ball possession ng ating junior. And yun nga, partner. Maganda ang momentum dito ng ating Junior Rams as the score tells itself 90-25 in favor of the Junior Rams. As Yap has the ball, extra pass. Number 6 to number 4, Del Mundo once again, 2 points. That's good.
Now, Olympians to inbound. Jose ang may hawak ngayon ng bola. But a
Del
great
Mundo.
steal on the side of the Rams. Del Mundo dire-diretso but no good.
2 free throws dito kay Del Mundo as he will step on the line. First free throw ngayon kay Del Mundo. First free throw, no good. Second attempt. Del Mundo, second free throw. That's good. Great recovery by Del Mundo as he adds up 1 point to their lead.
Now, again, Olympian to inbound. Jose ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola.
Ayan na si Yap. Magbabantay kay Jose.
An opportunity for the Olympians to have a score here. Again, Jose. But the ball will go on the side of the Shepherdville Rams out of bounds on that last sequence.
4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining here in our third quarter. As that long pass goes out of bounds and ball possession will be given to the Olympians.
Back-to-back turnovers on this both team. Now, Olympians ngayon, itatawid ang bola. Again, Jose ang may hawak ng bola ngayon. Jersey number 26 looking for his teammate.
Baba screen there.
Nahihirapan at yun nga, Del Mundo with a steal. Libreng-libre at yun nga. No good on that last attempt. What an wasted opportunity on the side of this Rams. Pero makakakuha dito ng free throw opportunity ang ating Shepherdville Rams.
Great inside man dito si Del Mundo as he scores 2 points after 2 points. And first free throw attempt. No good. Second free throw attempt. Rebound there by the Olympians. Steal by number 4, Del Mundo.
Offensive rebound para sa Shepherdville Rams. At yun nga, it was a basket. Now, Jose ang magtatawid ng bola para dito sa Olympians. Passes to Jose. And now, a whistle was called by our referee. So we have two Jose here on the side of STI Olympians. Jerome and James. And with that,
kung usapang magkapatid partner, meron din pala sa Olympians. And also, we also have from the UNC Greyhounds, which is jersey number 77 and jersey number 88.
and now, Jerome Jose stepping on that free throw line for the 2-point opportunity. Now, no good on that.
Harassing
Nagawa
for the
ng
call.
bola dito. A whistle was called by our referee and it will stay. The ball will stay on the side of this Shepherdville Rams. Rather, this STI Olympian side. Jose tries for that. No good.
Yup.
And now,
To number 16.
jersey number 10 tries for that second chance point and it was good.
No points good there.
Tolentino will give credit on that last points. Now, Jerome Jose looking for his brother, James Jose.
Yup. Guarding
Now,
number 1.
10 seconds remaining on our time. 5 seconds and a great block on the side of Shepherdville Rams.
Number 7.
What a
Yup.
great chemistry inside the court on the side of this Shepherdville Rams.
Great assist there by Yup to Tolentino.
Now, Zamora ngayon pinapahirapan ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Jose tries for that and it was good.
And Yup now has the ball. Yup guarded here by the Olympians to number 11. Basket's good by Barredo. Turnover dito. Eight seconds violation dito ang ating Olympians, and the ball possession will go to the Shepherdville Junior Rams with 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. 101 and 27 ang ating score, both teams at penalty situation.
Now, Tolentino to inbound, passes to Yap, and Yap dire-diretso sa gitna. No good. Rebound on the side of this Olympians, but out of bounds pass coming from this Olympians.
Tolentino passes it to number 7. Yup. Yup, guarded here by number 8. Number 16, three-pointer. No good. Francisco passes it to number 8. To number 28, three-pointer. No good. Rebound by Tolentino to Yap. Yap to number 8. Back to Tolentino. Extra pass to number 8. Layup. No good.
Now, ball possession ngayon ng Olympians. Kanino ibibigay? Francisco will try. No good.
As number 8, Kulibar passes it to number 7, Yap. Yap. Inside pass to number 9. 2 points from number 9, Chokson.
Now, Barsha ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola, whistle, but the ball will stay on the side of Olympians. With the remaining time of 1 minute and 21 seconds, abante dito ang ating Shepherdville Rams, 103 kontra 27 ng Olympians. What a great lead coming from this player. Talagang all out dito ngayon ang ating Shepherdville Rams to get their first win here in Bucal Season 5.
Second free throw attempt here by the Olympians. No good. But an offensive rebound from the Olympians. And that's gonna be a turnover. Junior Rams ball.
And a substitution on the side of this STA Olympians. Cario will back on the hard court for the Olympians. And let's see kung ano ba ang gagawa niya to lessen the gap or to make an adjustment here on the side of the STI.
As Tolentino, 2 points. 105 and 27 ang ating score with 58 seconds remaining here in our third quarter. As
And now, Cario. The ball will stay on the side of the STI Olympians. Cario to inbound. Rather, Francisco to inbound the ball. Looking for his teammate. Now, Cario. Ano kayang gagawin dito? 10 seconds remaining on our time.
penalty situation by the Olympians. First free throw by number 16. That's good.
Now, Cario stepping on that free throw line for the 2-point opportunity. No good.
Defensive rebound by number 9 to number 8. Number 8, layup. That's good. Colibar gets that 2 points.
Olympians ang may hawak ngayon ng bola. Let's see kung anong gagawin ni Cario. But a great steal coming from Shepherdville Rams. Dire-diretso nga dito. Libreng-libre on that basket.
Assisted there by Yap. As Olympians trying to create a play in this last 10 seconds. As number 2, off-balance shot, no good. Olympians. Last ball possession here in our third quarter. Ascario.
And that's it. That's the end of our first half here at ATENEO de Naga Gymnasium. Abangan natin ang last quarter natin dito between the SI Olympians and Shepherdville Rams. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Here at ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium for the fourth and last quarter. As Tolentino passes it to Babar. Guarded by number 16, Cario. Number 12, three-pointer.
No good. But an offensive rebound and a basket on the side of Shepherdville Rams. Now STI. The ball will stay on the side of the Olympians. Now Falabi to inbound. Passes to jersey number 12. Bantay sarada dito ng depensa ng Shepherdville Rams, and yun nga, a great steal. Agawa ng bola, but still, point will be given on the side of the Shepherdville Rams.
Cario of the Olympians has the ball. Cario setting up a play. Passes it to number 27. Long three-pointer. No good. But a defensive rebound. Number 11.
Zaldua with that steal. Now Cario in the middle. Passes to his teammate. Falabe kanino ibibigay. Now Cario tries for that long three, and it was basket. What a great 3 points coming from him.
Didn't even hesitated. And shot that three-pointer. And that was good. As Chokson.
Offensive rebound. Again, second chance point on the side of the Rams, and it was good.
Olympians driving the ball. Number 27, Rabang passes it to Cario. Cario thought about that three. Cario crosses over, tries to step back three, no look pass, but still there by number 9.
Libreng-libre ngayon si Tolentino on that last sequence, at yun nga, Tolentino added on the score of the Rams. At para makikita tayo ng update on the way from the bench of the STI Olympians, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai. Anong balita natin dyan?
LA and Rick, as of now, the Olympians are just trying to score some points as much as they can, analyzing what are the qualities that they should improve to make sure that they win their next game. What's important to them was they did their best and they enjoyed. They will train harder next time and give their school the credit that it deserves. That's all dito sa side ng Olympians. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai, for that update from the side of the Olympians. And makikita natin dito, Olympians still holding on at their this fourth quarter with 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining, still in favor of the Junior Rams with 119 and 31 here in this quarter.
Now, Cario tries for that long three again. No good.
Defensive rebound by Chokson.
Barredo ngayon, dire-diretso sa gitna, but still coming from Falabi, and now Cario, dire-diretso, passes to his teammate, and it was basket.
And to give us an update sa side ng ating Junior Rams, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Dessa. Hi Dessa, at anong update sa side ng Junior Rams?
Finally, LA and Rick, this is the final and the last quarter of the incredible showdown between the Shepherdville Rams and the STI Olympians. Sa puntong ito, lamang pa rin ang Shepherdville Rams, and they are really giving their massive efforts and constantly instilled what their coaches advised them throughout the game. The roar of the crowd has been a driving force for both teams as they battle it out on the hard court. Indeed, Shepherdville Rams are really working hard for the moments that can swing the momentum. For the last huddle, pinaalala ni Coach Al to get hard on the ball and to be consistent in the last 10 minutes. Yun na muna ang ating courtside updates. This is Dasa, Oragon, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Ellie and Rick.
Thank you so much, Dessa, for that update. So yun nga, they still need to play and work hard for this 6 minutes and 41 seconds remaining on our time.
Consistency is the key to success Yan ang pinakikita dito ng ating Junior Rams.
Yes. They're not showing some complacent move here. Rather, they are eager to win this game.
Tolentino to inbound the ball. Pass it to Babar. Tolentino, three-pointer. No good. Rebound there by Cario. Cario guarded by number 12. Inside pass there. No good. Babar. Babar running. Driving. Alley-oop failed to connect there. It's Olympians now has the ball. Saldua. No good. Rebound there by number 11, Barredo. Babar to number 11. Steal there by number 12, Rosario. To Cario. Number 6.
And now, Cario ngayon ang may hawak ng bola and tries for that three. Again, no good.
Number 11 harassed there by Cario. Tolentino. Guarded
Now,
by Rabang. Jersey number
pasalamatan
6.
muna natin dito ang ating mga live viewers sa ating One Media TV 48 Naga coverage. Thank you so much sa panunood. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang STI Olympians 123 against 33 on our scoreboard with a remaining time of 5 minutes and 24 seconds. Pagbabalik po kami only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're back live here sa ATENEO-Naga University Gymnasium for the continuation of our fourth quarter with 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Olympians now has the ball. Rabang.
Now Rabang looking for his teammate. Cario again on that corner pocket, no good.
Heavily guarded na dito si
Yes.
Cario as he is very lethal kanina pa sa 3-point lane.
But the ball will stay on the side of the Olympians.
And quick shoutout partner to Vera Danica Santilices. As Miranda. Layup. That's good. Libre. 125 and 33 ang ating score with 4 minutes and 55 remaining in our fourth quarter. As Rabang, long three. No good. Rebound there by number 17, Miranda. Number 18.
Now, Shepherdville Rams on that 3 points. What a great point coming from jersey number 18 of Shepherdville Rams. Mabaza. And now, chance ngayon ng Olympians.
Mabasa, defensive rebound. As Mabasa passes it to number 15. Number 15, off balance shot, no good. Number 17, that's good. That is Miranda. Cario, double team by number 15 and 14. But he is stepping on the lane. And ball possession will go on the side of the Junior Rams.
And now, Shepherdville Rams ang may hawak ng bola. Montero to inbound. And now,
number 14.
Montero out of bounds ball, but the ball will stay on the side of the Rams. A great basket coming from jersey number 17 of Rams. Now, ball possession ngayon ng Olympians.
Fouled ngayon dito si jersey number 2 Francisco as he is fouled by jersey number 14 Montero. Olympians, ball possession.
Now Francisco at naagawan pa nga dito ng Rams. Ano?
Out of bounds. It's the Olympians, ball possession.
And now Olympians ang may hawak ng bola. Zamora ngayon tries for that. No good. No good for that jump shot. One more time for the Olympians. But this time, pasok na ito.
Number 15 has the ball. Passes it to number 17.
Libreng-libre si Montero. But a traveling was called on him. That's why ang bola ay mapupunta sa koponan ng Olympians. Francisco to inbound.
Olympians. To number 2. Francisco.
Francisco. And now, Mabaza. Libreng-libre on that last sequence. Francisco. Given to Rabang. Rabang ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola para sa kupunan ng STI. What a great steal again coming from the Rams. And
Number
with
14.
that, a great play but no good on that.
Failed dunk attempt there. Asparas setting up a play, passes it to number 14.
Yun nga, LA. Last 2 minutes remaining on our time. At abante pa rin dito ng almost 100 ang ating Shepherdville Rams.
As the Junior Rams putting up the finishing touches as they lead 136 and 35 in favor of the Junior Rams with 1 minute and 50 seconds. This might be their second win this season. Their first opponent actually was the UNC Greyhounds, and then their second opponent now will be the Olympians, and will go home with a 2-0 record in this Bucal Season 5. As number 13, heavily harassed by the Junior Rams, Paras. Dunk there by Paras. We hear loud screams as Paras dunks that ball, showing here his vertical advantage. As Mabasa, layup, that's good. 1 minute remaining here to cap things off. 142 and 35. As number 22, basket plus a foul. As he will step on the line for a 3-point play opportunity.
And now, Tordilla ngayon stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity. No good on that.
Baseball pass to Montero.
Montero, libreng-libre. And yun nga, what a great move coming from him.
Dunks that ball once again. Mabasa also doing the same thing. Slam dunk there by Mabasa. 30 seconds remaining. As Zamora, 3-pointer. No good.
And yun nga,
The Junior Rams will just be dribbling it out as they take home their second win this season against the STI. As number 5 dunks it again. And that is it. Junior Rams take this second win this season against the Olympians, 146 and 37. This is Bucal Season 5, only here on Aragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon, abangan nyo ang best player of the game.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
It's now time to recognize our player of the game. Brought to you by Lemon Residences, experience home living. Our player of the game is an athlete whose outstanding performance truly made a difference on the court. He displayed remarkable skills, determination, and leadership throughout the entire game. Our player of the game is none other than Jomar Barredo, jersey number 11, garnering 20 points, 13 rebounds, 7 assists, 7 steals, and 3 blocks. So, good afternoon sa'yo. Dito na tayo sa mga questions. Ano ang hindi mo makakalimutang gawin bago magsimula ang laro mo?
Makakalimutan man. Itong game na to kasi nakasalit sa mga teammates ko at go for championship, Shepherd. At shoutout kila Pastor, Ding, tsaka teammates ko. At sa mga bumubuo ng SBC family.
Alright, so here's your second question. What or who is your inspiration in this game?
Sa pamilya ko po, sa Tagabalatan, yun lang po at kila coach.
Thank you so much and once again, congratulations. That's all for our player of the game. This is Desimir Parma Lontayaw, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
At yun nga, nakilala natin ang ating best player of the game na si Barredo with 20 points, 13 rebounds, 0 assists, 7 steals, and 3 blocks. Kudos to you and to your teammates sa pangalawang panalo dito sa Bucal Season 5. Again, this matchup is brought to us by these two teams, the Shepherdville Rams and the SCI Olympians, na nanalo nga dito ang ating Rams. So, ano ba ang masasabi mo doon sa nangyaring laban na yon?
It was a display of height advantage, continuous consistency throughout the matchup ang pinakita ng ating Junior Rams as they take home the second win this season.
Yan nga, at abang-abang tayo sa ating pangatlong game, a matchup between the NCF Tigers versus the Annunciation Panthers, only here at Oragon Sports TV. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And my name is Luis Alexander L.A. Lapid.
Yan, tutok lamang sa mga susunod pang game dito sa ating Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.